Hey everyone, this is Roy with Roy's Life Hacks and Builds. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I fix an agitator on a kenmore washer. The problem that's going on with mine, the agitator stopped working. So we're going to take it apart and replace the agitator dogs. Let me show you guys what's going on with this. Okay, so if you can see, it doesn't lock how it should. See, it shouldn't be spinning backwards. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it apart and replace everything. This is I want to say it's a 2005 series kenmore. And these agitators, you can get them on Amazon. So I'll be fixing this kenmore for about $4.99, which is what I paid for the parts. It'll save me at least $150 to $200. First, we got to start by taking off this cap. You see it pops off like that. And then I believe it is a 7/16 bolt that holds everything on. Okay, so yeah, it is a 7/16 bolt that's in there. It'll get a long extension, the ratchet, and it comes off counterclockwise, but you do gotta hold the base to be able to take it off. Once that's loose, you can take it off by hand. This is a cam, and actually, so you guys can see that agitator dogs that go on there are broken off. They're in here. And they go right here. So they're broken off with this too. And there's your bolt. You gotta pull this little, I believe this is called the bearing. Gotta pull that up and off. Pull that agitator dogs out. And there's a broken one in here. Use a screwdriver for that piece. There you go. And we'll just replace these parts. Let me go and grab the new ones. Also, what happens to these, if they're not broken off, the little teeth wear off. These teeth have to catch on the inside of this, on the agitator. That's what makes it lock up and spin, lock. It just doesn't let it travel backwards. The new ones come in a pack like this. I got I believe a set of 16 of these for $4.99. And we just replace these back in their original spots like so. And there's only one way you could put them on too, so I don't think you can mix it up. And it does take 4 of them. And they go on like that. Once you have those on, then you put the, what I believe is called the bearing back on. And it has little slots where it goes into. Set that on there like so, and it keeps the agitators from falling out. And then just hold it there and flip it upside down and put it back in its place. And it should fall in its place like so. So once you drop the cam back in its place, there's two little slots in there where you line it up and drop it in, and make sure you're lined up with the bottom hole. Then you could go ahead and put your bolt back in there. I already put mine in there. Just tighten it up as much as you can by hand. Hold the bottom and then just give it a little snug with the wrench, with the ratchet. Like so. And now it's doing what it should be doing, because those teeth are catching on the agitator how it should. Yeah, these were no good anymore. They were completely broken. Well, one was completely broken, and the others, well, all the teeth are just worn out. But all in all, it's like a 10 to 15 minute fix at the most. And just take this cap and pop it right back on. Just like that. Let me get this full of water and put a load in there and just show you guys that it's working. Alright guys, so you guys can see the purpose of this agitator is to scrub the clothes, and it brings them farther down to the bottom of the tub. So you guys can see now, it's doing its job now. Alright, well that's it. Thanks for watching.